In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a MoneyGram location near you. If you're looking to send or receive money quickly, or perhaps you need to pay a bill or load a prepaid card, knowing where the nearest MoneyGram agent location is can be very useful. Join me as we walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring you'll have all the information you need right at your fingertips. To start, open your web browser and enter MoneyGram.com into the address bar. Hit enter and wait for the site to load. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options designed to help you manage your money. Our focus, however, will simply be on locating the nearest agent, so go ahead and look for the Find Locations link. Typically, you can find it at the top of the page or in a menu that's easy to spot. Click on Find Locations to get started. Next, you'll be directed to a page that requires some basic information to pinpoint the closest MoneyGram locations. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter your city or zip code. Go ahead and type in your city or the zip code of the area where you'd like to find a location. This is a crucial step because it allows MoneyGram to locate all the nearby agent locations most efficiently. After entering your information, press enter or click the search button to proceed. The website will now load a map featuring MoneyGram agent locations in the area you specified. This map is interactive and will showcase all the locations with markers. You can zoom in and out to get a better view of the areas or make more precise selections if multiple locations are close together. Each location marked on the map typically provides further details, like the exact address, and sometimes even the services they offer, so you can pick the most convenient option for your needs. Finding a MoneyGram agent could not be simpler, and the map function adds a layer of ease by visually displaying these locations. The information shared includes hours of operation and any special services the agents might offer, enabling you to make an informed decision about which location to visit. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to find the nearest MoneyGram location, whether